Hello, I'm Stephen Hustedde. I am a full-time faculty member at South Mountain Community College and the coordinator of the Programming and Mobile App Development program at the college, which we often refer to as the Mobile App Academy at South Mountain. In 2007, a historical event took place, and that was Apple, with Steve Jobs, introduced the iPhone. And mobile phones have swept the world. Chances are, if you're watching this video, I'm almost sure you have a smartphone that you depend on almost every day. To give you an idea of the impact that smartphones have made, in 2005, the world awaited the announcement of a new pope for the Catholic Church, and that was Pope Benedict. And here's a picture taken by NBC News of the crowd waiting for the announcement of the new pope. In 2013, Pope Francis was chosen as a new pope. 8 years later, here's a picture of the crowd in the same location, under the same circumstances. See if you spot a difference. That's right. Everybody has a phone or a tablet of some sort taking video. Another historical event that changed the world was in the 1940s with World War II. We had computers helping us do trajectory of missiles and things like that. And these computers took up an entire room. Data was inputted in these computers by switches, and output was the lights lighting up in this room filled with computers that had to be analyzed and decoded into the output data. Be thankful we don't have those type of computers anymore. But then in 1969, we sent a man to the moon. And to get a man on the moon, we had to come up with a computer that would fit in the lunar module to help make the calculations. And to reduce the size of that computer from a room-sized computer to a small computer that fit in the lunar module, that led the way for us to get personal computers and laptops and eventually phones and tablets. Now when we think about the power of that little computer in the lunar module, we could represent that with 1/4. Today's iPhone is 45 million times more powerful than that flight deck computer that they had in the lunar module. 45 million times. So if we represent that lunar module computer by 1/4, how high would a stack of 45 million quarters be? Well, it's 258,670 feet, or approximately 49 miles. Now, a 737 flies at 35,000 feet, and an F-16 flies at about 50,000 feet. 49 miles is much higher than that. And that is the power of the devices that we carry in our pockets. We have the power to change the world. And what do we do with it? We watch silly cat videos on YouTube and maybe play a few games. But we can change the world with these devices. And that's what the Programming and Mobile App Development program at South Mountain is about. It's about teaching you how to program these devices to make things happen, to make yourself more productive and make others more productive. U.S. News and World Report every year comes out with their 100 top jobs in the United States. The last 2 years, 2018 and 2019, the #1 job has been software developer. If we look at the top 20 jobs from that 100 Best Jobs report, 17 of the top 20 are in the medical field. Things like physician, anesthesiologist. These require lots of money to go to medical school, if you can get into medical school, and lots of debt coming out. In fact, the average debt of somebody coming out of medical school is $190,000, and 14% of graduates of medical school come out owing $300,000 or more in student debts. You can get into software development without even a college diploma. All you need are great skills, and I think we can help you lay the foundation to get those skills. The average salary in Phoenix for a software developer is $92,000 a year. That's actually below the annual average, which is a little over $100,000 a year. In the past 90 days, according to research done by Burning Glass, there have been over 4,000 openings for computer programming and mobile app development jobs in Maricopa County. Over 4,000 openings. U.S. News and World Report says this is a field that will continue to grow at rapid rate through the next 10 years, and the demand will be very high for people to go into jobs in this area. The Mobile App Academy at South Mountain can help lay that foundation for you to launch into a great career as a programmer or mobile app developer. So if you're interested in learning more, my contact information is Hustedde at southmountaincc.edu, or you can reach me by phone at 602-305-5605. In the next video, I'll talk more about our program and what we can offer you in terms of the different tracks that we do and how we teach things.